Hi, my name is Vignesh, and today I'm going to walk you through how to build a website fast using AI. This is going to be a step-by-step guide where you're going to see me actually build this under 5 minutes. We've all been there when we wanted to build a corporate website or maybe a personal website, and you just don't know where to start. There's so many pieces to put together, right? Your domain, your hosting, you got to find your images, you got to pull out some content from somewhere, and then you got to put them all together using code and then press publish. But right now, using AI, all of this is so simplified and you can actually build a slick website in under 5 minutes. So without further ado, let's go. I will make myself small over here. So the first things first, we're going to go through hosting. All right. So over here, this is Hostinger. I will leave a link to Hostinger in the description below, so you can just click to get it. So right now, all you got to do is to choose a plan. So there's premium, business, and cloud startup. We don't really need the cloud startup because that's just way above what we actually require. I would recommend just going with business, and the reason is because there's something called CDN. So over here, this is a na and this is a ya. And the reason for the CDN is basically it's a content delivery network. What this just means is that your site loads 40% faster due to caching. The name of the game is speed. So the faster your website loads, your visitors are going to stay and interact with your site. If it's going to be slow, they're going to head out to your competitors. So I would recommend just going with business. Not much of a difference. So you just go ahead to click on choose plan, and then you can choose your 12 months, 24 months, 48 months, whichever that suits you best. I would go with 12 months, if it's just near term. Then go ahead, put in your credit card details, and then you are through. I already have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead to log in right now. All right, so now once you're through, all you need to do is to go to your top left. You see something called websites, click on it, and then now you will see something called add a website. So just click on this. You will see WordPress and Hostinger website builder. Don't go for this WordPress because this would mean the whole works of it where you got to figure things out yourself. We want the AI powered website builder. All right, now it's going to ask you to select a hosting plan. So if you've already bought it, you just have to select your business hosting plan. All right, we are through. Now, all we need to do is to start creating. So we're going to enter a brand name. So right now we're just going to build something fictitious. So let's say, why not? Let's just build a cafe. All right. So let's ask ChatGPT. We're going to create a cafe. So I'm just going to go with, hey, could you give me a name for a gourmet cafe? This has to be unique, quirky, and must ring a bell in our customers' mind. I guess I gotta say this name has to be unique, quirky. Even Steve Jobs would go, oh my God, why didn't I think of that? All right, so it has written percolate and palette. So the name combines the idea of coffee, percolate, with the artistry and culinary experience. This is amazing. So I'm kind of happy with this. I'll go with this. So let's go with copy. So this is my brand name. This is going to be a, I guess let's do a landing page. And right now, what I want to do is I need to now give them a description. So all you got to do right now here is just copy this, right? That's the description that they've given. Okay, so just put this in and tell them that, hey, could you write me a description similar to the one above? And our brand name is here. Our brand name is this. We are a gourmet cafe. there we go. And it starts writing down. Oops, okay, it starts writing a lot. So let's look at it. What do we need? Okay, I need 700 characters. So could you write this in 700 characters, please? Yep. Perfect. So I'll just have to put this into Hostinger and create. And guess what, guys? That's it. That's all it takes. Now the AI is going to go and use its data points to go and figure out, based on our description and based on our brand name, and for the fact that we are building a landing page, it's going to pull out all of those points. It's going to generate images, come up with the text, and the entire layout, the entire 9 yards right now. And we are about to complete in less than a minute, I would say. There we go. Voila, our site is ready. So percolate and palette, a culinary journey, indulge in an exquisite culinary journey in our gourmet cafe where artisanal my goodness. Okay, so this is beautiful, right? So if you notice here, we've got a header with our logo, and this is our main hero banner where we have our main headline, our sub headline. We've got a call to action. We even have rated 5 stars. We haven't even started. And our menu. So all of this is just pulled out for us right here. Is this amazing or what? Okay, so right now I am going to go ahead to edit the site. I mean, of course, you can go back to AI form and just regenerate this and regenerate as many times as you want until you are actually happy with it. But I'm gonna go ahead. I pretty much like this site. So there we go. So it's all here. So now actually what I want to do, I want to introduce you to whatever that's here. There's actually a good number of checklists for you to just edit your head text, update an image, and all of those kind of stuff for you to just go through. So it's pretty useful when you don't know where to start. But I pretty much now want to do one thing. I like to always have a testimonial section just after my hero section. So I'm gonna just add a section there, and I'm gonna look for testimonials. All right. You can have one with the pictures, or you could have one with just text. I would like to just go with text. So there we go. So our customers love story with us. And I now have my section for my testimonials. Here, of course, you can just put in your customer's testimonial, or you could ask ChatGPT to come up with some. I will leave this to your creation. So next, I'm going to share with you what else you can do, right? So let's just say we want to edit this header. You could adjust a couple of other stuff, but very importantly, you can now adjust your logo. You know what's unique? You can actually just click on the AI logo maker. This is also, of course, within a snap. There's no more for you to think of and start writing and drafting how my logo should look like. Let's see what has happened. Okay, so there is an inbuilt AI logo maker within Hostinger. So all you need to do is just type in, let's say, a hot cup of coffee, and go ahead to create it. If you do not wish to, of course, there's many other options. There's something called Luca. This particular site, yeah, basically you can just enter in our name, and you pretty much, so for example, I can just do this, get started. And of course, you can just follow on the remaining steps. This video is about building a website, so I will do this on another video. If you guys want me to create a logo using AI, please let me know. I will show you guys. So now let's go back to our website. So here is where you actually upload your logo. And of course, if you'd like to adjust any other stuff about your header, you can go ahead. Next things, you can actually just click on edit styles if you want to. You can also change the text styles. I will show you what happens down here. So what used to take a lot of time can be now done once, and it will be applied everywhere. I will also go ahead to show you, like for example, if I want to change this to Poppins, Boom. Okay, the font's got a bit too big. Okay, wow. Yep, I guess we got to choose something that fits. All right, perfect. I like this. And pretty much the entire site is actually updated with your new content. Okay, and we also have a contact us form. If you would like, you can also add anything else. I am now going to add a blog, right? Yep, let's add a blog. Perfect. So, you know, with the new age of doing things, the more the content, the better, because then you have things for you to interact with your customers. So let's just see how you can actually add a blog post, right? Let's just do an edit. So this is going to be my title, this is going to be my description, and of course I can put in my content. Okay, so I'm gonna now write a blog post, right? So what's my blog title, description, post URL, and all of those kind of stuff. Let's do this. You know what? I'm gonna ask a different chatbot this time, and I'm gonna put in the entire description that it generated just now, and I'm gonna ask it, could you give me a topic to write about for the brand above? All right. All right. So it's preparing. Story behind. Okay. This is awesome stuff. Wow. Okay, this is perfect. So I am in disbelief because these are amazing. The art of coffee pairing, the story behind the menu, the intersection of art and food, a day in the life of barista, seasonal. Okay, I guess, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead with this because I think this is interesting to me. So this is the topic that we want. Could you write me a blog post outline for about 500 words? Or maybe let's just do 1,000 words. All right, so right now this is the title, right? I'll just go ahead and put this here. Blog post description. They've also given that to me. Oops, message just failed. Right, so this is the description. Actually, not really. I will ask it to create for me a description. Okay, so it's already preparing for me an entire. Oh my god. Okay, so it's already preparing for me the entire outline, and this outline is amazing. I'm not gonna lie. So I'm gonna just ask it, could you write me a blog post description for this article? And so it's going to share with me. There we go. Unbelievable. So I'm just going to put this entire thing inside here under the description, and there we go. Save. Cool, we're done. So next thing is I'm going to replace the image. So here what we can do is we can actually generate this using AI as well, since I already said that I'm going to use all AI. So this is Microsoft's version. You can actually use this. So let's take the art of coffee pairing, right? So this is the title. So let's go ahead. The art of coffee pairing. Okay, and I'm gonna go into the image creator, art of coffee pairing. Let's just see what it does first. After that, we can go into, you know, adjusting it to our liking. All right, it has generated, and I am in love with this one. So I just have to click this. I just have to click download, and there we go. It is in. And now all we gotta do is go ahead to change this image, and I am gonna go ahead to put this image inside. I'll select this. Unbelievable. So that's it. Now for my entire content, all I gotta do is go into and ask for this Llama GPT to share with me section by section, and then I just have to copy and paste. So you know what? I'll just put in the entire outline first, just for completion's sake. Let's just put this guy in, edit the text. Okay, I know it doesn't look that pretty, but it's okay. It's just more for what we want to do. So yeah, we are done. So we can also just check whether is it looking perfectly fine on mobile by just switching over here, and otherwise we are good. You hit preview, and everything is just linked up. So you click on home, you're back to where you started. You remember the one that we actually just included, and you can feel free to just adjust any part of these sections by just clicking on them, and of course the block that we just created, which is over here. Perfect. So there we go. We've just created an entire site under 5 minutes for sure. I mean, if I didn't go through this entire thing one by one. But of course, now if you think about it, if you are just planning to get a site like up right away, you can just follow this step by step. And of course, there's always a human element to it when it comes to planning and putting your own creative spin. But otherwise, this is it. If you found value in this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. And I sincerely hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.